everyone, welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I have a really cool project to share with you. I'm going to show you how you make these floral sun catchers. I'm using the brand new Mod Podge formula. It's the Crystal Clear. It's really cool to use on glass and acrylic. Of course, it's going to work on all your regular Mod Podge projects as well, but since it's a clear formula out of the bottle and it dries clear like the regular Mod Podge, it's very easy to see your placement of the flowers. This is an acrylic surface and it comes with the frame. It's got a hanger and a string. That's by Plaid Online. This is such a cute and easy project to do just using dried flowers. You could use dried leaves, dried greenery, whatever you want. All right, let's get started. I'm starting with one of these acrylic frames from Plaid, Mod Podge Crystal Clear, and I'm using dried flowers. First, I'm adding a coat of the Crystal Clear Mod Podge to the acrylic portion of our frame. I'm not worrying about being too precise with this. I'm just trying to get the Crystal Clear Mod Podge all over the surface. Then I'm just gently placing in my dried flowers. I'm using tweezers here, but you don't really need to use tweezers. For me, they're just a little bit easier to work with the delicate flowers. I'm starting on the outer edge, and then I'm going to work my way to the inside. Everybody has their own technique, so just do what works best for you and the size of your flowers. Now these flowers you can pick up at the craft store, and there's lots of different online retailers for them. You can even use paper versions of these. So you can see I'm filling in with some of the smaller flowers, and I'm filling in with some of the little sprays. Just add a little tiny flower there, and then I'm continuing to add my flowers until the entire thing is filled in. Once it's filled in, I'm going in and I'm top coating on top of the flowers just to make sure all of the petals are down. And don't worry, I'm going to do a second top coat. Now I'm going to just go ahead and add a little bit of the Crystal Clear to the wood part, and I let that dry for 3 hours. Now I'm doing a full second top coat, and you can see that I'm being kind of messy because I'm trying to get that sort of stained glass look. And look how gorgeous this is when it dries. I made a couple of different versions. You can see here all those gorgeous flowers popping with that clear background. It's just so pretty. These look so great hanging in a window. I really hope you give this project a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you love this project as much as I do. Now let's take a look. We've got our all over gorgeous, bright rainbowy flowers. Then we've got our sort of purple, more muted look. And then I love this one, just a whole bunch of wildflowers there. I'll be back here next Thursday with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.